Guys, we just touched down in France. Without you, we wouldn't be here. So bless us for a great week, filled with amazing content and memories that last a lifetime. And let us show France what we do.
To reset your watch, it is now at 2 p.m. Local time in Paris.
I think art is what makes us human, and this is the dream place to do it.
This is like the place to start. Like, you gotta have the photos. I'm getting like months and months and months worth of content, and it's gonna be so good for me in terms of brand partnerships, fashion collaborations, and just look really sick on the grid.
Trend 45 to me is a community of creatives coming together to make awesome content, have a great time, and go to really cool places while doing it.
How valuable and meaningful human connection is. Putting all these people in a creative space like this, the possibilities are endless, and these artists really put their all into all of this.